Hello, my lovely Aquarius. Welcome to my channel, Sharks Tarot. Guys, I heartily welcome each and everybody here. And this particular reading here is all about, wait a second, yeah. So the reading here is all about your particular individual Aquarius you're dealing with. I hope you're just remembering your person's name, and I think as an appearance, you could also keep a photo of the people you're having into your heart, into your mind, the one you're wanting to connect with exactly. Now, Aquarius really thankful for all of the people who are really supporting and really giving so much of love to this channel. The ones who are really new to it, I would really love if you subscribe to my channel, everybody. And let's start with the reading. What is happening in your person's life, particularly Aquarius? The very first card over there, Aquarius, we are here having is, I hope that you could forgive me one day. There's definitely this individual wanting to tell you that they are immensely sorry for something they have done in the past, and they really regret it right now. Second card, I look for you everywhere. They definitely look for you everywhere. They are just, I think, visualizing you. I think they are remembering you, the days they've spent with you. And I think this love moment is exactly hitting them on the right point. Third card, I remember every detail of the day. Now, there could be particular days really spent well with you, Aquarius. Your person individually is very particular about very small things. They keep small details with themselves, and that is the reason I have to say this thing that these people are picky kind of a people. Next card. I know I was a distraction from your pain. Definitely, Aquarius, the one you're dealing with here thinks that you might have used them, maybe I'm not sure about it, but yeah, definitely there could be a kind of usage more of over here than that love part specifically. I would say your individual here has some kind of things into their heart, into their mind, which are not telling it to you out simple. Next card, I will work hard in this. When an individual here, Aquarius, is really promising you that they're going to work hard in this relationship, they're going to maintain the best into it, I will say this thing that your person exactly knows what they are doing, what they're wanting to deal with it. The last card, I wish I could take my words back. I have to say there's an apology coming from a person, from an individual, Aquarius. The beginning was like, I hope that you could forgive me one day. So there is a kind of quarrel or some kind of things which has happened between both of you, and this individual, Aquarius, really regrets it altogether. I have to say this thing, guys. Moving here to the tarot cards, we have the Three of Cups, Four of Pentacles, the Judgment is here, the Ace of Wands is here, Ten of Swords, and the Wheel of Fortune at the end. I think Aquarius, this individual is wanting a restart with you, a new beginning altogether. I would say this thing, where I think if there was a fact or a matter of, getting involved into this jealousy or an insecurity, they're ready to figure out the things where they could find out like what wrong was happening. I know the chances are to be taken again because it was not that much right and correct which happened, I think, in the past. But this individual here is very open to come and clarify things again and restart the connection in a very new manner, in a very new way. I see a passionate beginning all around, guys, towards, I think, from your person exactly. And they're really feeling passionate about it, about this connection, about this relationship. But there's something the universe is telling you to end that painful cycle first, to go for a fresh and a new start. So to restart something, you need to end all those activities, all those conflicting things which were really impacting your love life generously. Coming here for the oracle cards, what do we have here is the very first card I'm reading, guys. I feel in love. Okay, I fell in love with you because you loved me when I couldn't love myself. Aquarius definitely an individual falling in love again and again with you. Why? Because it was when you, Aquarius, you people have loved them at that place, at that point, at that circumstance where or when they couldn't love themselves. The point. It's exactly what it's coming up. The next card we are here having is when I met you, it was like every wish I had ever come true at once. So, this is all about the forced meeting, maybe? Or this is all about looking towards you, Aquarius, and visualizing things and dreaming about every wish of theirs have come true. Now, when this an individual speaks out and says, they really mean a lot, guys. It's nothing less, it's nothing more. It's all about expressing the love in the terms of loving each other. Third card. Our vibes speak louder than the words. Aquarius definitely the kind of vibe you and your individual you both share is really amazing first of all, and secondly it's a match. It's a true match. It's a kind of a soulmate or a twin flame connection, Aquarius. But the kind of a vibe both of you are giving to each other is different. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. Exactly, I would say this thing to you, Aquarius. And the last card. I was careless with you. Now, this is the card I had shown you up before, also, the statement actually that yes, they have done something in the past which they are regretting right now. I feel like Aquarius, your individual has really known the fault they have done, known the mistake, they find out, and right now they're ready to take action on really making it all well. The things were not well earlier, but they are ready. These people, they are kind of a people who is really strong willed about this connection, about this relationship actually. So this is what I'm having for you people, Aquarius. I really hope that you are liking this reading, you're loving this reading. And do not forget to like this read, guys, comment on this reading, and to subscribe to my channel, everybody. And secondly, anybody who is really interested in taking the personal reading, or the ones who are really feeling like some kind of struggle is just coming up into their lives, they're not able to clarify the energies, they can really come up. Go to the description box. There is a Gmail given over there, that is tarotshark@gmail.com. Through that particular Gmail, you can just come up and mail it and ask about your queries and everything which you want. And I think if you're going to use that, you are going to really know about what are the energies surrounding you, what is you need to do, what are the opportunities you need to work upon, and take that as an advantage. So it's really, I really feel that taking a personal reading for maybe monthly or a quarterly or an yearly is really important, and it's really helpful to everybody. Definitely helpful to everybody. And secondly, the ones who are dealing with some kind of hair problems, like there are a whole lot of hair fall problems, or the hairs are not shining, or things are happening with them in a very negative way, and they need confidence. So there is an oil which is being manufactured for you people. Through that particular Gmail itself, you can come up and book that oil, use it, guys, and see its results. It's really amazing. You can just use that particular oil in a daily purpose also. So this is what I have to say. Thank you, everybody. See you next time.